is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for USPS job online. Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for USPS jobs online. So first, you may want to head over to jobs.usps.com. And you can start by using the search filters right here, starting with entering your zip code, selecting a radius, or you can also search by country or state so you can see job opportunities near your location. You can also start adding or entering keywords about the job you're looking for. So, say for example, we're going to select country, which is United States, and proceed by clicking on the search button. And if you scroll down, you should be able to see job postings and listings available in the United States. You have an option to watch job video for a specific job opening to get an overview about the job. And to apply, just click on the apply now button. To make things easier, all you have to do is read the eligibility in this section. And if you think that you are eligible, select I meet all of the above criteria. And to proceed with your application, you're going to need to create a new account or sign in if you already have an existing account. And once you're logged into your account, you can proceed with the application. And once you've been offered a job and accepted, you'll complete some additional screening, which may include a background check, medical questionnaire, and or motor vehicle record check. And in the step 3, once they reviewed your screening, you're almost done. You'll just need to confirm your employment and select a start date and confirm a few final details to help finalize your employment. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.